5 ways creating content help build your business brand. Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing the 5 ways that creating content can help build your business brand. In today's digital age, creating content has become a necessity for businesses of all sizes. It's a powerful tool that can help increase brand awareness, establish authority, boost engagement, improve search engine ranking, and provide value to customers. As a business owner, it's important to understand how creating content can benefit your brand and how you can use it to your advantage. So without further ado, let's dive into the 5 ways that creating content can help build your business brand. Number 1. Increases brand visibility. One of the most significant benefits of creating content is that it can help increase your brand's visibility. By consistently producing valuable and informative content, you can attract new customers who are interested in what your business has to offer. Additionally, content can be repurposed in multiple formats such as videos, infographics, blog posts, and more, and shared on other websites, further increasing your brand's reach and exposure. Social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn are great places to share your content and attract new followers. You can also leverage visual platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok to showcase your brand's personality and style. Number 2. Establishes authority. If you want to learn more about how you can leverage content to grow your business, visit Exodus Capital's website. Exodus Capital is a content marketing agency that can help you create high-quality content that drives results. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.